Okay, guys, I welcome you into yet another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create our database. So we are going to create our class that will be responsible for all our database functions, um, tables, and all other stuff that we need to do with the database. Okay, great. So SQLite, Android SQLite uses mainly a class called SQLite Open Helper. Okay, let me just open a documentation just a few minutes. Okay, so this is the class that we'll be using in our SQLite database. Okay, so this class is, I think, almost all the methods that we'll need in our database on upgrade. For example, I think I'll just pick the major ones. On create, we need this one to create our database. On upgrade, also need it, I think so. Then you get writable database. This also allows us to read and write, database tables. Okay, then I think you can revisit this documentation page and just read and have just an insight of what we are doing. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna go to my project. Okay, cool. Then I think we need a class. Okay, so I'm gonna structure my project. So just go on your main package and create a package and name it DB. Okay, then I think also these ones needs to be organized. Our activities needs to be organized too. So create another package again, name it activities. This is a good practice so that when your project grows, you can still manage it well, right? Okay, cool. I'll push it there. Then it will ask you to refactor. Then you say refactor. Awesome. Cool. Okay, so now we create our database class. Okay, go new Java class. Then we'll name it DB controller. Okay, perfect. It's gonna be a public. Okay, great. So in order to access or to utilize this class, we need to extend it. Extending a class is like we are inheriting the properties that it has. Okay, so once we extend this, our class that we have just created will be able to access methods that are very helpful that are inside the SQLite Open Helper class. Okay, so let's extend this class. So you say extend SQLite Open Helper. Great, cool. Okay, what do you say? Okay, so once we extend this, Android Studio will prompt us to add the methods. Okay, cool. So we need to implement these methods. Okay, so you just go where it is highlighted in red ink. Okay, just do Alt Enter. Okay, Alt Enter. Then it will ask you to implement methods. All right, cool. Great, great, great. Then also, okay, Alt Enter again. Also need a constructor. Okay, cool. There we are. We have a constructor. Okay, but for now, I'm gonna create different values. Okay, first I need a text string for login purposes. Okay, so just say login string. Okay, you shall see where we'll be using this, right? Okay, so this one need to be private static. Final string doesn't change, right? Okay, so name it tag. So equals to db controller. Okay, class dot get. So this will just enable us to get the name of our class into tag, right? Okay, the second thing that we need is database name. Okay, so database name. Okay, so we have private static final string. It's good to comment your code so that you can have reference, right? Okay, so just create a database name variable. Okay, database name. So this is where we'll store the name of our database. Okay, cool. My call wash. Cool. Okay, what else do we need? We also need a variable for database versioning. Okay, database versioning. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to save time. Okay, let me copy this. Right, copy that one. Okay, edit here. So I'll call this database version. Right, okay. It's an integer, sorry. Int. Okay, just allow it to start at 1. Okay. Then I think you also need the table name, right? Table name. This is gonna be a string, so this one will cut our job. Car wash table. Okay, what do you name it? Car wash. Simple. Right, great. Then also we need table fields. Okay, cool. These are gonna be strings, so we're gonna copy these. Okay, so first, so key ID according to that table that I showed you in the previous videos, right? You can just try to revisit and just try to see where we're going, right? Okay, with key ID. So I'm going to duplicate these. So I'm going to press Command D. On Windows, I think it's Control D. Okay, so we need customer name. Oh, don't know what happened there. Customer name. Okay, I'm gonna name it customer name. Okay. Also, yeah, we need phone number. Okay. Phone number. Okay. So phone number. Okay. What else do we need? The car model. The model. Okay, model. Okay, cool. What do you need? The number plate. Okay, I'll just name these number plates. Okay, cool. Number plates. What else do we need? Service date. Okay, this is the date where we have entered this record, right? Okay, service date. Cool. Then also check-in. Okay, this is just a status if the car is in or not. Okay, so just name this check-in. Okay, cool. What else do we need? The cost. Okay. Sorry. Cost. I just name it cost. Okay, great. We're getting there. So we need the fields, the table fields with the table name, with a database name. Okay. So next we're gonna come to our constructor. Okay. So here not gonna need all these ones. Okay. So you need the context, right? Then the name is the name of the database. Okay, database name, factory. I don't need this. Then this one's for versioning. So this is where we put our versioning number. Okay, this. Okay, so this will change each time we change the structure of database, or each time when we need to change certain things. That is how we do. Okay, so database version. Cool, right? Our constructor is ready, right? Um, Next, we're gonna create a database, right? Okay. So to create a database, we'll create a string with on create. For those who have experience in using MySQL or SQL, yeah. So it's almost the same, okay? It's almost the same create statement that we're gonna do here, right? Okay, cool. So type create space table. Cool. Okay, class. Right. So now we need to add our first table. So what's the name of our table? Wash table. Then you add a class. Then table calls and you put your bracket. Okay. So you really need to be very careful. I'll show you the hints. Yeah, the errors that usually happens when you're working with SQLite databases. Okay, so we have our key ID. Okay, plus. So this is gonna be an auto increment. Okay, so you add integer, right? Primary, right? Key. So by adding this row will be auto incremented each time we add a new record, right? Cool. So the next one is our customer name. Okay, they text. Okay, then a comma. Okay, cool. Then need to retain plus. Okay, space. What are the key that we need? Phone number key. Phone number. Okay, this is going to be a text. Space text. So make sure when you add the variable type, you leave space here, right? Okay, cool. Okay, the next we need key model. Key model, right? Double quotes, space, text, comma. Okay, plus key number plate plus space text comma. Okay, they look what I've done here. I forgot a comma. Okay. Then also we need the date. Key service date plus text. Okay. Sorry. Text. Then I put a comma, space. Then check-in status. Okay. Key check-in. Okay. Space text. Okay. Then lastly, the cost. Okay. Cost plus text. Okay. So on the last field, we don't need a comma after the variable type. Okay. So we close. Yeah. Close the bracket. Voila. Done. Okay. So we need to execute this statement so that Android will create our database. Right. Gonna name this database simple as it is. Okay. So database dot execute create our table. So by executing this statement, yeah, our table will be created. Okay, right, cool. It's just unfortunate that from in Android you don't have the visual, like you cannot access your database visually within Android Studio, but there are other tools that you can add. Okay, but I just prefer to work with it as it is. Okay, Right, cool. Okay, on upgrade, that's where we do the upgrade for database. So in this case, I'll just delete and recreate the database. Okay, query SQL2. So to do that, I'll call the drop statement, drop table if exists. Right, cool. Space plus also table name, cowash table. Cool. Then also need to log this. We need to see if the upgrade is taking place. Okay, cool. So take query. Okay, cool. So also need to import log class. Okay, database. Okay, I wanna name this again database. It's just simple database dot execute. So we execute again the query. Okay, by executing this, the upgrade will take place. So after we have deleted, we also need to call on create. Okay, this will recreate our database. Cool. Okay, you're done. So there it is. Okay, so next we need to create methods that we use to manipulate our database. We need to insert, we need to get, we need to search. Okay, cool. So in our next lecture, we'll be creating these methods. I gotta cut this lecture short, right? Okay, cool. See you in the next lecture.